Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So today we'll be designing a real estate flyer. We'll be working on real estate flyer designs that will make us, that would use it for project design. So you can use it for your PSD, for your files, you can use it for anything. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's get right to it. So first of all, you can see this is a normal design. It's a normal real estate design that you see, but it's not really the regular one. It is a catchy design. So that's what I did. I created a new layer. My page size is 100 by 1350, something like this. So first things first, I brought in a yellow background, this kind of background. You can see this is a yellow background. This is FFF DC9. And I brought in this image, something like this. I have something like this. So this is an AI generated image that I got online. I have something like this. So I added this real estate background to it. So I have something like this behind this. So it's gonna be behind it. Sorry, I'm gonna be on top of it rather. Sorry, on top of it. So you can transform like this, something like this. So that's something like this. Let me draw this down a bit. Yes, that's something like this. It's very simple, something like this. You can see this one here. So this is a shape that I got. So you can have, okay, let me first bring in this guy's image. This image was gotten from free pics. When I got this image on free pics, I decided to play around it. Ctrl V. Started to play around this image, so it will be on top of this. We have something like this. You can see that it's not looking realistic. So here's what I did. I created a new layer like this. On my keyboard, I press B. My foreground color is black. I reduce my brush size and I gently tap like this. Then I press Ctrl T on my keyboard and I reduce, shift, press shift. I will have something like this, then Ctrl J on your keyboard, Ctrl J to duplicate, then you draw back something like this. Reduce, Ctrl B, Ctrl J, Ctrl T, so you can play around to something like this. Play around something like this. So you can have something like this one too, then Ctrl J to, then Ctrl T to transform. You can see it's looking more realistic now, like you're having depth already. Now for this image, you can see I added camera raw effect to this image. The idea is for us to show what the company is offering people. So exposure 0.5, contrast 37, clarity 38, and that's it for this text. Now let's bring in my image, my text. So you can search for a text. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to group all together. Okay, let's start by just drawing the shapes. Ctrl C. So I was trying to make this guy point up to this text, right? So let's bring it behind the guy. Where's the guy image? Where's the guy? Okay, this is the guy, something like this. See, so I brought this shape behind the guy, so you have something like this. Then you have your outright payment. Oh, sorry, bring this up. So you have your outright payment, you have your 3 million. If you notice, I used almost the same font for my designs. You know, if you want your designs to be unique and to be very good, you have to use you don't have to use too much font for your designs. You don't have to use too much font for it. You can center a line like this. You can even take this outright payment up like this, so you can have this text like this, 3 million below. It's a fun design to do. It's fun to do. So you have something like this. Bring this up. It's already shaping up to our design already. It's already shaping up already to our design. So next thing I had to do was bring in your text and everything. Now this one right here, you can see this is just a PNG file. This is a PNG file. You can see. Sorry, it's loading. This is a PNG file. Sorry. This is a PNG file. So PNG one, and this is also a shape. So I blended in my shape with my PSD. Sorry. Oh, not this. Amenities. So you have something like this. So you have something like this. Your amenities, something like this. You can even increase this one. You can have this, something like this. Then you can bring in your text, bring in your installments. I'm bringing your installments. You can bring in your 3.2 million. I'm just giving you this as an example, so you can decide to have different value, but I've given you the major part of the design. So you can have all these values there. Then you can be, this is a PNG file. Sorry, this is a PNG file. So you can have this on your page. So something like this, Then for this glow, this is the glow I used. You can have a glow effect. You can create your own glow. You can decide to have any color of glow. It's not necessary. You decide not to use that all. It's your choice. I can use my glue. I can use everything I want to use. Then make sure that this text. Okay, let me break down this text to you. For this text here, this is a Trajan Pro Gold 31.98. Then for the gradients here, I used the yellow at location 0. I used F9 EE4E. Location 100, I used D59529 for this. So I just duplicated this entire text for all this text too. I maintained the font for all, same font, and I used Montserrat Semibold for this. So I just combined two fonts for my entire design. So that was exactly how I go. So you can try to add any kind of element to your design. You can even add house here. You can add anything you want to add. So it's very simple and straightforward. So I'll be dropping the free PSD file for you guys to use, so you can use. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos.